I bet you didn't know your couch could be a climbing wall. Or that laundry baskets make the best tunnels. Today, I'll show you how to transform your living room into a ninja adventure, family style. Alright, let's get moving. First, clear a safe space. Move away anything sharp and grab some pillows, couch cushions, and blankets. We're building our own family-friendly ninja course. Start with the cushion climb. Stack pillows to create a mountain. Everybody takes a turn leaping across without falling off. Next, it's tunnel time. Laundry baskets and chairs draped with blankets make perfect crawling tunnels. Who can slither through the fastest? Up next, the lava leap. Place towels on the floor and pretend the rest is hot lava. Jump from island to island without touching the ground. Parents, join in. Trust me, it's more fun when everyone's acting silly. Finally, the balance beam. Line up books or tape a line on the floor and see who can walk across without wobbling. Extra challenge. Carry a stuffed animal as you go. Don't forget safety first. No running, and if something feels risky, change it up. The goal? Family giggles, creativity, and a little exercise right in your living room. So next rainy day, skip the screens. Build your own obstacle course and see who's the ultimate living room ninja. Ready, set, ninja!